Okay, so someone wants to offer for my parrot. This is like a normal server, and then we're going to get you into a rich server to see what people offer for the parrot then. So basically we'll see. So this person's offering a fly-ride dragon, a unicorn, a Deinonychus, a ginger cat, a Shiba, a beaver, and an emu. They're like offering like the top area of their list, like they're offering from top to bottom or something like that. But it's not a good trade because even if this is just a legendary, it's one of those rare legendaries. Like it came out like last year. This item is 1 year old, basically. Okay, so this person's only offering a unicorn that's rideable. We'll like do 10 trades from this server, and then 10 trades from the rich server. Okay. So now let me do trading parrot. Okay. Trading parrot. Anyway, we'll see what people want to offer for it. We'll just trade random people, I guess. Okay, fossil egg, a ride kangaroo, a ride Cerberus. Okay. Kangaroos are gaining in value, but they aren't enough yet. Though it's not February. Okay. Let's see what ocean will offer for these. A fly-ride turtle, a robodog, a golden dragon, which is a lot. Let's see. Turtle's like 30 value, parrot's like 75 value, robodog's like 10 value, and golden dragon's like 30. This is a fair trade though, but I'm not going to accept since I really like this parrot. Ooh, one more trade in this. One more trade. Oh yeah. We need 5 more. Okay, so Kitsune, a ginger cat, and a Douglas. Declined. Okay, now let me trade this person. Okay. So what they will offer for a parrot, a fly ride dodo, kangaroo, that's fly riding. And is that it? Yeah, that's it. The dodos aren't worth that much since they're still in the game, and the kangaroos are only gone from the game for a short period right now. So then 2 months away when they got away. So I'm just gonna decline just common stuff. Okay, let's trade some other people. Here. Okay. So Cerberus. No, that's not roster. A Dilophosaurus, some cars, a surfboard, a clown unicycle, bike, and roller skates. I'm not really into cars, plus the stick. The stick would have gone a lot of value, just kidding. The stick isn't worth that much, like 0 or 1 value, but anyway, I'll decline this one. Let's see, maybe this person. So then I have 2 more trades after this trade. So then this is just a fly ride dragon. That'll stay in the game forever, even though it is older. Declined. Let's trade this crocodile, dude. Maybe their dream pet's a parrot, since they have a crocodile. So a croc. See here, I don't really... Crocs are really low in value right now, since it's like the parrot skyrocketed since it's a legendary, and ultra rares are worth few value, like 11. I'm gonna decline though. Okay, now one more trade. And who's gonna be the lucky person that trades me for a chance to get this parrot? Okay. Oops. But anyway, this person. Oh, they're already. Oh. I cannot trade two people at once, though. Well, I mean, like, I cannot trade, like, two people. I mean, like, one person twice. That's what I meant to say, lol. Okay. So then, I guess I'll trade this person. Okay. The signal person did not accept. Okay. Didn't I trade this person already? No, I guess I... Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. Anyway, let's see the last offer. I guess I can offer for... Maybe the Cerberus. There. I don't think I traded this person yet. Nicodem. I think I already traded this person, though. Whatever, this will be the last trade of the video. Well, of this section of the video. Well, a ninja monkey isn't enough. Okay, so we're start recording again. Okay, so now we're in a rich server. Now we can see what these peoples are trading for. A parrot, like whoa, what just happened? I don't even get what happened. What? Whatever, I guess I'll just teleport back there. Whoa, okay. Well, that was awkward. Anyway, let's... What? Never mind, I'm just gonna title this video glitches. Well, that was unexpected. Anyway, I guess I can end the video off here. This is very weird. What? Let's see, can I find any other glitch things here? Oh, the playground. Whoa. I wonder if we can still bounce on this. Luckily, I do have a fly pet so I can reach safely where... Oh, it's there. But, yeah, this is a little weird. Wait, could this be the place where they store those animations for like, the flying boat to the sky castle? I mean... Yeah, they're the same models. Wait, I have an idea. Does it? Yeah, I wonder what will happen if I do this. Okay. This is definitely weird. Okay. I guess we have to wait a minute for this. So in the meanwhile, I don't know how we ended up here, but this is very strange. I think I like glitched out of the map. And yeah, let me hold my parrot. Okay. And if you were wondering why my parrot's named Jimmy, it's because of Ant's parrot. Ant's parrot is named Jimmy, and Ant is a YouTuber, except a YouTuber with 2 million subscribers. But anyway, he partying in 12, 11, 10, and then 9. Yeah, you get it. 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Now, where are we gonna go? Yes. Let's see. Where will you take me, glitchy land? Where will this glitchy thing take me? The glitch abomination. Okay. Yeah, I get it. Whoa, what's this? What? The glitch abomination takes... Please exit with caution. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Is the terrain invisible or something? No, no, no. Whatever. Okay. Well, that was so weird. Anyway, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this, I don't know how I found this glitch. You should consider liking. Well, you should maybe subscribe if you want. But I'm not asking you. But anyway, I'm just suggesting. Anyway, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. Goodbye.